Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram highlight without spamming your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to create Instagram highlight without spamming to our Instagram story, we have to create a second account so we can share our story to our second account only. And here I have created some accounts on my Instagram, and I'm going to share my Instagram story only to this account. For example, this is my second account and I'm going to share my story to the second account. If we want to do that, we can go to our Instagram setting and activity, and then go to the close friends and choose your second account. This is my second account. This one, I'm going to share my story to this account only, so I'm just going to add this account to the close friends. All right, now it's done, and then we can make a story that we want to create highlight, and we can click on this plus button and then click on the story, and I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo, and then we can select close friends, so the story will be shared to our close friend only. Since I only added my second account to the close friends list, the story will be shared to my second account only. Okay, and now this story has been uploaded, and then we just need to click on highlight, and then I'm going to create new highlight. I'm going to add night and click on add. Okay, and now I'm going to go to my profile to check the highlight. And by this trick, you don't need to worry about spamming because you only share your story to your second account. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create Instagram highlight without spamming to our Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.